What if you're starting from absolutely nothing? What if your bank account is near zero? Your bills are piling up, and every video on building wealth sounds like it was made for people who already have money. What if you're broke, but you still believe deep down that your life can change? I'm Ted Peters, and for the past 15 years, I've helped people in the US go from struggling financially to creating real financial stability. Some of them starting with less than $100 to their name. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build wealth from scratch, even if you're broke, even if the economy is rough, and even if you feel like you're starting 10 steps behind everyone else. Before we jump in, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because the strategies you're about to learn today are the exact same strategies thousands of everyday Americans have used to escape paycheck-to-paycheck living. And trust me, what I'm going to share later in this video, especially the final point, is something almost no one talks about, but has the potential to make you more money than your first job ever did. Now, let's get straight into it, because if you're watching this, I already know one thing. You want change. The harsh reality nobody says out loud. When you're broke, the problem is not that you're lazy. The biggest challenge is lack of leverage. When you have no money, you have nothing working for you. But here's the part most people miss. There are three kinds of leverage: money, skills, and attention. If you don't have money, you must use the other two. And in this video, I'm going to break down high-income skills you can learn for free, the best digital and physical ways to make money quickly, low-capital investment strategies, how to build long-term wealth from $0, and the common traps that keep broke people broke. And later in the video, I'm going to give you 4 real jobs anyone can start this week that can produce real cash with realistic estimates based on what my clients earn. So stay with me until the end. Let's begin. If you're broke, your first investment is you. Forget crypto, forget stocks, forget passive income. If you're broke, those things will barely move the needle. Your first priority is this: increase your income. Your income is the engine that makes wealth possible. You cannot invest your way out of poverty with $20, but you can skill your way out. So let's get into the first and most important strategy. 1. Learn a skill with high demand and low startup cost. There are skills you can learn in as little as 30 to 90 days that can take you from earning nothing to earning over $3,000 per month. And I've personally watched hundreds of my students transform their lives by doing exactly this. These skills don't require a degree, thousands of dollars, or special connections. They simply require discipline, internet access, and a willingness to practice. Here are the top 4 high-income skills anyone can learn from scratch. A. AI and prompt engineering. Artificial intelligence is the fastest growing career path in America, and what shocks most people is that you can learn it completely for free. If you know how to talk to AI correctly, if you know how to train models for specific tasks, if you know how to build automated workflows, you become extremely valuable to businesses that desperately want to save time and cut costs. Here's what people are realistically earning right now. $25 to $50 per hour for writing AI-optimized content, $60 to $150 per hour for AI workflow automation, $500 to $3,000 per project for small business AI system setup. And yes, regular people are charging these rates. Stay-at-home parents, recent graduates, retirees learning a new skill, and even Uber drivers who decided to pivot into tech. AI isn't replacing everyone. It's replacing everyone who doesn't know how to use AI. Copywriting. Copywriting is simply the skill of writing words that make people take action. Emails, ads, product descriptions, landing pages, every business needs these. You can learn the basics in 1 month. Here's what copywriters actually earn in the US. Beginners, $15 to $25 per hour. Intermediate freelancers, $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Experienced writers, $5,000 to $15,000 per month. Copywriting doesn't require perfect grammar, a journalism degree, or being good at English. It only requires understanding psychology and persuasion, skills that anyone can learn. Social media management. This is one of the easiest skills to start with because all you need is a smartphone. Thousands of small businesses are desperate to stay consistent online, but don't have the time. Realistic earnings, $300 to $700 per client per month. With 5 clients, that's $2,000 to $3,500 per month. Experienced managers can reach $10,000 per month. You can start by managing one business's Facebook or Instagram page and grow from there. High-income, blue-collar skills. Some of the fastest ways to make serious money have nothing to do with computers. I've coached clients who changed their lives with pressure washing, painting, lawn care, moving services, junk removal, house cleaning. These services can earn $150 to $500 per day, sometimes starting tomorrow. Don't ever look down on physical work. Some of the most financially secure people in America own simple service businesses. Number 2, build a side income stream that works even when you don't. Once your income increases, your next mission is to create additional streams that continue earning even on days you're tired, busy, or taking care of family. Here are the best side income opportunities for 2025 and 2026. A. YouTube automation / faceless channels. You don't need your face. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't even need to be comfortable on camera. You can create videos using stock footage, voiceovers, script writing, AI editing tools. Here's what creators realistically earn. $200 to $500 per month after 3 to 5 months. $5,000 to $25,000 per month once scaled. Some channels reach $100,000 per year. This is one of the most scalable digital assets anyone can build. #B, digital products. Digital products cost nothing to create, nothing to store, and nothing to ship. You can make budgeting templates, ebooks, Notion systems, meal plans, fitness programs, AI templates, resume kits, study guides. Profit margin? Over 90%. Earnings? $300 to $1,000 per month for beginners, $5,000 to $20,000 per month for experienced creators. #C, affiliate marketing. You share products you actually use. You get paid every time someone purchases through your link. Beginners typically earn $100 to $500 per month, but top earners in the US make $5,000 to $30,000 per month. Affiliate marketing scales quietly. Many people start it as a side hobby and later turn it into a full income. #3, invest early, even if it's just a few dollars. Once you have money coming in, investing becomes the most important step in long-term wealth building. Let's use real numbers based on a 7% annual return. Investing $20 per week becomes $30,000 in 10 years. Investing $50 per week becomes $75,000 in 10 years. Investing $100 per week becomes $150,000 in 10 years. Investing $150 per week becomes $225,000 in 10 years. Your goal is not to time the market. Your goal is to stay in the market. Your best starting points: S&P 500 index funds, total market index funds, Roth IRA, 401k with employer match. Investing doesn't take intelligence. It takes consistency. #4, learn how wealthy people think about money. When you're broke, you think about survival. When you're wealthy, you think about leverage. Here's the difference in mindset. Broke mindset, I can't afford it. Wealthy mindset, how can I afford it? Wealthy people buy assets, not gadgets. Increase cash flow before increasing lifestyle. Monetize skills, use time wisely, build systems, leverage technology, plant seeds that grow over years. You can't save your way out of being broke. You must earn your way out first. #5, jobs that will give you real cash fast, starting this week. These are real practical jobs thousands of Americans are using right now to produce real money fast. A. Delivery driving, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart. Realistic earnings, $120 to $250 per day, $600 to $1,200 per week, $2,400 to $4,000 per month. This is the fastest way to make cash fast with no experience at all. B. Freelance work, Upwork, Fiverr. You can offer editing, graphic design, social media work, writing, transcription, AI services, virtual assistants. Earnings, $50 to $200 per day when starting, $2,000 to $6,000 per month when consistent. C. Amazon Flex. You deliver Amazon packages on your own schedule. Earnings, $18 to $25 per hour, $150 to $250 per day, $1,200 to $2,000 per month, part-time. D. Cleaning services. You can start this business with a $30 vacuum, $10 in cleaning supplies. Charge $100 to $150 per house. 2 houses per day, $200 to $300 per day. Monthly potential, $3,000 to $6,000 or more. This one changes lives faster than almost anything else. #6, eliminate the hidden wealth killer, lifestyle creep. The moment people start earning more, they immediately start spending more. New phone, new car, new clothes, new rent, new nights out. Lifestyle creep destroys wealth. Here's the formula wealthy people live by. If your income increases by 40%, but your lifestyle only increases by 5%, you will build wealth 10 times faster than the average American. The first $10,000 you save will feel impossible. The second 10,000 will feel easier. The first 50,000, that's when your entire life begins to change. The 7. The broke to wealthy blueprint, the step-by-step path. This is the exact roadmap I give to the people I mentor. Step 1, learn a valuable skill within 90 days. Step 2, add one fast income side stream. Step 3, save your first $1,000. Step 4, start investing $25 to $100 per week. Step 5, build a small emergency fund. Step 6, create multiple income streams. Step 7, keep increasing your income. Step 8, keep lifestyle spending stable. Step 9, invest consistently. Step 10, reach financial independence. This is how normal people become wealthy. Not overnight, but absolutely achievable. Final message, your closing note. You don't need a perfect background. You don't need rich parents. You don't need a degree. You don't need luck. You need information. You need action. You need consistency. I've worked with people who were sleeping in their cars. I've coached single parents working 2 jobs. I've mentored 18-year-olds and 60-year-olds. Every single one of them had the same turning point. They decided to build wealth even while they were broke. If you're ready to take control of your financial life and you want more videos filled with practical strategies and step-by-step guidance, go ahead and subscribe. This channel is here to guide you, to challenge you, to give you the tools to change your life. My name is Ted Peters. Thank you for watching. And remember, being broke is temporary. Building wealth is a decision.